BJP had put special category status in their manifesto as a promise to the people of Odisha. However, this promise has not been considered for Odisha, whereas special packages allocating crores of funds have been announced for Andhra Pradesh and Bihar. Along with this, the demand of Odisha for revision of coal royalty, which has been pending for years with the central government, has been rejected, because of which the state will lose thousands of crores of revenue every year. Lots of big promises in different sectors were made to the people of Odisha during the election campaign, especially on agriculture, MSME, and industry. There is no mention of any promise being fulfilled in this budget. This is a complete neglect of Odisha and her people. We all know that Odisha faces a number of natural disasters every year, including floods. We had requested for a special package for disaster management. While similar requests of other states have been considered and they have been granted special packages for flood protection, the genuine demand of Odisha on disaster management has not been considered. So, on both counts, whether it is special package or revision of coal royalty, Odisha continues to be neglected by the NDA. Today, the most serious issue being faced by the common public is inflation or price rise and unemployment. This budget does not have any considerable intervention to address these two major issues. We have been fighting for justice in the Polavaram issue, allocating more and more funds for Polavaram without sorting out the genuine grievances of Odisha shows impartiality against Odisha. The NDA government has been at the center for more than 10 years now, and every budget talks to focus on eastern India, including Odisha. There has been nothing substantial for Odisha over the years, and this budget has also been a disappointment for us. However, we shall wait for the details. I'm happy to see there is a focus on tourism in for Odisha. I hope it is substantial and we shall wait for the details to come out. I would say that along with the people of Odisha, I feel disappointed at the continued neglect of Odisha while the state contributes so much to the country. निर्वाचन समୟରେ बीजेपी रो नेता माने ओडिशा बासी को बहुत बड़ बड़ कथा कहिथिले किंतु यूनियन बजेट रे ओडिशा पाए किछि नाही